I didn't get nothing fancy or anything. I got me some regular blinker lights. I do need blinker lights for actually both of my cars, the Dodge Avenger and the Ford Taurus. So once you pop the trunk, definitely one of the most needed tools in your garage right here. All right, peel that back. This might be how you take the light bulb off, or the whole light assembly. Wing nut there. Got a wing nut right here, right on top. You see, right there. Give me a second while I take that one off. There we go. We pulled that right on out, and now we're going to change the bulb. Turn it left, and there we go. All right. Let's see. There we go. It works. All right, you guys, we're going to put the light back in since it works. That's it. Gotta love old school, you guys. You gotta love the old school. All right, put the light back in, and that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.